Hello everyone. Sorry if I sound weird on a microphone because I sound really bad on it. I don't actually sound like a 7-year-old. I sound like an actual my age. Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to be doing the history of the solar system. I don't want to give any spoilers, but and this is just like what I'm doing right now. I'm on the beginning. Let's just test it. Let's just show it to you guys. But this one is going to be animations, not just regular ones. It has a number counter too. Let's look. Not so bad, eh? Hey, it's pretty good. Just so you know, it's in progress. It's gonna be finished. So might as well go with what you have. So we're gonna be opening my photos. Oh yeah, I need to show you something. Wait, oh yeah, I deleted all of them. It's just the Continental Drift pictures. I'm gonna be doing the next one in this series again. Yay. And this Saturn has no rings. What kind of Saturn has no rings? I know, right? Terrible. It's sad. Oh my gosh, where is all my planet pictures? Swear they were up here. Did I delete them? Oh, never mind. They're right there. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, you know the history of Mars system? Wait, where is it? Why does this always happen? It's crazy. Maybe I need to set it over here. Oh. Oops. That sucks. Really does, right? You don't have to answer that. Oh no, looks like that happened. Don't worry. This is kind of a tutorial video, just so you know. Wait, is this size 20 all the time? I'm not sure. Let's just go with 10. Yeah, let's just do. Oh. Just so you know, you're gonna have to have a MacBook Air. I'm not sure if you can get it on PC or Windows, but just look it up if you're going to get Adobe Animate. Adobe Animate is awesome thing to get. It's awesome animating. It's better than PowerPoint or Keynote, but I still use Keynote. Keynote's pretty good. There's all the stuff I need. And Flourish. Okay. Let's begin with it. So first we need to maybe enlarge it. I'm not sure. Wait. Oh, yeah. We also need to make this in its own layer. So how you do that is that we press distribute to layers. And we need to change the name to just Saturn. Sorry if that part's I was typing slow. So what we need to do is just delete it, you know? Right, when you add pictures, well, wait. If you add pictures, it always appears into the color box. So you press the rectangle and you try to get rid of the border because we don't need that. Nobody needs borders now. Okay. Then we try to get into a square or rectangle. Depends what your event box is. But just so you know, the events box is disappearing. Well, still kind of there. This is a good event box. So, might as well not be disappearing. Sorry, that was random. Also, in order to do this, you're gonna have to have Universe Sandbox, or you can either get like a picture from internet. But we can just go into, okay, and one way is that we go into Steam and get Universe Sandbox, and then you pause the simulation, try, and then make the, you just press on Saturn and press that Saturn logo thingy, and then try to find the temperature and make it higher. So that's one way to do it, and you can also take a screenshot and put it in here. Okay, so that's one way, or the other way, we can just get an image from Google. Okay, so we need to make the event. Saturn, wait, that's wrong color, It has to be black, wait, no, white, yeah, white. You want your audience to see it. I also need to write when it's happening, so 4.57 BYA, or billion years ago. I just did that. I'm just doing that to be short. It's doing that to make it shorter so it can fit whatever. Okay. After that, you put the event. Saturn form along with the ice giants. You press that thing so you can get on there and like drag it. Just, make it a little smaller, and then you click the gray part that's out of your canvas. Also, wait, slight adjustment. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. Okay, we're back on track. Okay. This time, okay, since the Universe Sandbox thing is going to be taking way too long, too much video, and it's going to be boring, I already told you the instructions, so let's just go on Google. Hot Saturn. Actually, none of these pictures show results. So let's just go on Universe Sandbox. It's more fun anyway, you know? Last played 2/23. Yeah, we need to get a hot Saturn, because, you know, all the planets were basically hot back then, because, you know, they were created by the asteroids from the gas cloud. Like, you know, story. Just waiting for it to load. Hurry up, please. Oh. I don't know what that is, but I like the cloud. I like the new update. Try it. Okay, so you go to Saturn's profile. Remember to pause it so it doesn't lose temperature. So you go to like, maybe around 3,000 degrees Celsius. Just so you know, I'm doing imperial units. Because I'm in America. Maybe make this little screen a little bigger. Go to screenshot. Wait, I can't do screenshot. Oh well. So what you do is you press screenshot. Remember, I can always get it later, you know. Okay, there's gonna be this video is a part 2 or so. Bye, I guess. I just need it. So, yeah. I'm sorry. This video is bye-bye. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. Bye-bye.